channel.
I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
So today we're going to do a makeup look. We got two palettes we want to show you, and one we actually just wanted a giveaway. So before we get started, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Click that bell.
Click that bell.
Okay. So first I'm going to talk about this palette I got as a gift from my beautiful sister. She got me the Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. Let me tell you, we used it yesterday. This is the most beautiful palette.
Yeah, it's really good.
Ever.
The glitter is kind of hard to get on.
No, the glitter is actually amazing. We didn't use any glitter gel or anything. It stayed on. It didn't fall off. My eyes look amazing.
They had like kind of the same look.
If you want to see the look I did with this, go on my Instagram. I'll post down below. And that's what I did with it, and it lasted all day. And this is just like the perfect palette. Oh, I love it. It's my favorite. Okay, and then a giveaway from She Crafty. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We won the chocolate bar from Too Faced.
And like she gives like goodie bags.
Yeah, she was very sweet. She even put an extra face mask and stuff for Ellie, so thank you so much.
I like this thing, have like a unicorn.
A lanyard thing, yeah, she was excited about that. So,
I like unicorns and things like that.
This is the Too Faced chocolate bonbons. So today we're going to do a look with this. And we won, actually another giveaway too. It's still on its way. So it's time for us to do our giveaway because we actually hit 500 subscribers.
A long time. Like 2 days ago?
Yeah, we just recently hit a little over 500. Not going to go into full detail this video, but my next video we will. Because I think we're going to use Gleam.
What's Gleam?
Because Gleam picks for you. And they know you're subscribed and all that. We're going to try that the first week. We're going to separate them into 3 different weeks, our giveaways, to give people a chance.
We're going to give people a chance.
So our next video, be prepared to learn all about the giveaway stuff. So, now we're going to get started with the look from this palette. And what I loved about Too Faced palettes, both of these palettes came with a book to kind of follow a look. Yeah. So, and I don't know where the one went to this. Hopefully it's in my bathroom. Because there's a really cool one I wanted to try.
There's like this bright pink one.
It's this first one up top. We're going to follow it. And this one's actually a little bit different to follow than the other one. So, are you following your own?
I might just do like my own.
Bronze chocolate. So the first one you used is Satin Sheets, and that goes right underneath the brow.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just grabbing brushes.
So I'm going to grab Satin Sheets. Now, I haven't even dipped into this palette at all. The only thing I used was this. Actually, I used the Satin Sheets as a highlighter.
It's pretty good. On
my cheeks. You can see it right there. But it wants right now to put under.
Okay, I'm doing my own. I was like going for my own right now for some reason.
The brow bone. And also, I'm going to do just my right eye on camera. I'm going to do the other one off camera. So the video ain't too long, and at the end I'll show you the finished look. So, Satin Sheets.
This is what my look's going to look like. It's going to look ugly.
No, it's not. And we're going to show her a look too, so.
No, I'm doing my own look. I'm not doing that. Okay. So, I don't know how to sit.
Next, you take...
You're on my leg.
Mocha in the crease. So, let me get a smaller brush to put mocha in my crease.
She finds like the pretty ones on this book and wants to do it. And she just does it. Like yesterday.
The one yesterday I got out of the book and I loved it.
And then I did like this red under it, and then she put the glitter on me.
Yeah.
That's how mine was. Like, we had like the same thing, but mine was like red underneath, and you couldn't even tell it was there.
Yeah, yesterday she actually did a pretty good job. Yeah, look on my Instagram, you'll see the look I did yesterday with the Pretty Rich palette.
Mine's gonna look similar, like it's none different.
Did I say Facebook? Or did I say Instagram?
I said Instagram. I think you said Facebook this time, and then you said Instagram at the beginning.
Okay, next you blend molasses chip onto the lid.
Molasses chip is right there.
This brush might be a little bit too big.
I want mine to be a surprise. So I'm not saying anything for mine. I'm just going for like random colors. So That's too dark. That's why.
Oh my goodness, what is that? Malted?
Oh, I'm not using that. It's too dark. I'm not wearing that. Mom, I'm going to tell you one color that I'm using because they can't see the table. I'm going to use this one.
That's bright.
I'm going to let me see yours so far. I can see it. Okay, that doesn't look bad.
Now, number 4, deepen crease with Bourbonax.
Okay, that's not showing up. So we're going to use...
Yeah, I don't know. So let me get my smaller brush.
I'm trying to get to the light so I can see.
So this is just the crease.
I'm going to be like this or something.
Very into neutral colors, but lately I've been kind of wanting to do something with color. I need a colorful palette though. The Jaclyn Hill original, I'm getting...
What about the James Charles?
I don't have that one. I don't know.
Does James Charles have like bright colors or like dark colors?
It's like pretty much all bright. Which Jaclyn Hill has some good bright colors, but I'm getting tired of that palette. And the purples and the blues I've used before.
They're super bright sometimes. Like what we did in her brother's makeup.
Yeah, my brother's video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it.
I can't believe you did one eye the wrong way. Like, how did you not see that?
I don't know. Let me tell you that video.
Okay, this might be my last color. I'm scared to use this.
Does anything go on the bottom?
Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Like that.
Do a little bit of this.
You guys are not gonna believe what my look's gonna look like. I'm just gonna cover my face. Hang on, what did I do last time? I don't want to show you guys my.
Kind of blend some at the bottom, and then the inner corner I might use the first color we did.
Oh my gosh.
This actually turns out really good though. Kind of like a smoky eye.
You left my eye?
Like a brown smoky eye. This is actually pretty neat. I just love these little booklets that show you. Like, and then sometimes I'll kind of change a few things around. Makes it so much easier.
Does my eye. I don't want them to see it till the end, so mine's are like a similar.
Okay, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera real quick. And then I'm going to put mascara on. And I'm going to show you the finished look. And she's going to show you her finished look.
She's
hiding it. So this is the finished look. Like a smoky eye. Really pretty. This eye looks kind of messed up. I kind of got like a pimple or bump, something going on. I don't know if I hit my eye or what, but it's actually really pretty. Nice brown. And that was all from this palette. Now Ellie did her makeup. So turn around.
Dun, dun, dun.
She picked the brightest one in the palette. What's new, you guys?
It's called
Totally Fetch.
And then I used
the glitter from the Pretty Rich palette.
And it's called Diamond Glitter. I don't know.
Diamond Glitterita. So she used 2 colors. Get up there a little bit. You see her glitter. But so today's Christmas. We're filming on Christmas.
Yes.
It's actually late.
Yeah, it's actually.
It's like 5 or something. I don't know. But
I don't have bedtime these 2 weeks.
You kind of do.
No, you don't, because it's my weeks off. So when I have like days off of school, I don't really have a bedtime. Not really.
So if you like this look, give us a thumbs up. This would really pop if I had some lashes. But I'm going to clean this off when we're done, so I didn't really want to put lashes on.
Who looks better, mine or hers?
Which one's better?
Comment.
Anyway, so, did you get everything you wanted for Christmas?
Yes.
Did you have a good Christmas?
Yes. That was funny when we tried to take our pictures of Colton. He was like this.
This morning we were trying to take pictures, and Colton was like...
This way. So, say you're me and I'm Colton. This is what Colton was.
And then he was like...
And I'm trying to be happy. I'm turned around like this. Like, trying to get him to turn around because he's, like, sitting backwards.
Presents is everything. And if he can't open them right away, he will not smile.
Like, when we were at our grandma's yesterday, he would. So we were playing this game where you pass around a present, like...
The left and right game across and whatever. They read a story. You have to do...
I got my mom's present.
Yeah, she got... So she got gum and some candy, but that was a good one for you. But yeah, Colton, he did good at first. When we were halfway through... He sat like this the whole time. And
so somebody tried to give him his present, and then he smacked it out of their hands. Yeah, he kept
smacking it. Oh, he was so mad. It's like presents, like...
He means every present to him.
But it's almost his birthday, too.
January 13th.
Yeah, January 13th. So, whew, he don't have patience with the presents.
I might even get you a present.
But once he opens them, he's happy, he's fine. But that completes today's video. Our next video will be all about a giveaway. The giveaway information, everything, we got to look into a little bit. We've been busy with the holidays, so these are the 2 palettes.
You got chances. Be prepared.
Too Faced, love it. First palettes ever. I love these 2. This one's like my favorite, and this one's actually really nice too. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.